What's up guys, Abigail Marshall here. I want to thank you guys for joining me on this video today and welcome to my channel. As of right now, this channel will be transforming from hair videos to home decor, DIY art projects, and anything else that you can do yourself that will give you your security deposit back. So I want to thank you all for those that have joined me, my 25 subscribers. I appreciate you guys being here with me. It is better than zero. The reason I am making this switch is because I am on fire for creativity. It is the one thing that I sleep, I dream, and think about daily. I was even hanging curtains up in my mother's womb, okay? So this is where I need to be. For those that have tagged along while I've done my hair videos, I really appreciate you guys being here with me, and I back the fro 100%. I will always be natural. But guys, I have to follow my passion and go with what is on my heart. And I'm gonna give you guys my heart, so don't break it, okay? If you're kind of deciding whether you still want to follow me and see my videos, I want to give you a few reasons why you might qualify for staying with this channel. So if you're living under your parents' roof and you don't have a lot of money, you have your little rooms to yourself and you want to decorate that area, I can help you with that. You need to put a piece of artwork up in your house and you're not sure where you can get it from, or you have that inspiration but it's like $2,000, I can help you with that. I'm not going to help you buy it, but I can help you recreate it for sure. You want your security deposit back, but you also want to paint? I can help you with that too. Do your children find your home scary or cold and not welcoming? I can help you guys with that. Do you think you want to unsubscribe but you really actually need to subscribe? I can help you with that too. Just hit the button, okay? Just hit the button, okay? It's just that easy. It don't even hurt. Do you like art? Do you like painting or hate painting but willing to give it a try? Absolutely stay and hit that subscribe button. Or maybe you're not feeling confident about making something. Maybe people will judge you. Guess what? Who cares? This is all about being creative, bringing your imagination to life, pulling things out of here and bringing it into your living space. We were made to be creative, so what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button, okay? Okay. And for those that are staying, I appreciate you being here. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so that you will get any videos that I upload. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching this video and joining me. And you guys have a good day. Bye-bye.